But yeah, here, designer.
For the Sunday.
Designer, yeah.
For the Sunday in the
Sunday
mall.
glasses.
For the mall.
Sunday at the mall.
Okay, previously on Kung Fu Maintenance, I showed you bringing up everything on the roof, tapping power, taking out the old compressor, bolting in the new compressor, replacing and brazing in the new compressor while floating nitrogen. And then I showed you replacing the filter dryer also while brazing nitrogen. Showed you the leak testing and locating, finding a leak. I had kind of a couple tough things in there. There's always a few bumps in the road, as I said in the last video, and you know, we navigated through those, got all the leaks fixed, and now it's pulling a vacuum today on Kung Fu Maintenance.
Okay, turn it off and we'll see. Yeah, we're good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. Was a crazy one. You know. We're at about 100 pounds. We're good. So I know my high side valve is bad. No, because you know we would hear it. Yeah. We're gonna pull a vacuum and we're gonna make sure it holds good vacuum. So we're ready. Okay. So we can release the nitrogen, which I'll do as I go to hook up the deal here. So turn off my nitrogen tank. It's going to be an editing nightmare, so I don't know if this one's ever going to see the light of day. Here we go. We'll be hooking up to here. And we can let the nitrogen go, that's no problem. We're going to hook up the vacuum tank to this side using the yellow hose. Regret is we won't be able to hook up the red side, as that red hose is damaged. The deal just leaks too much. So it is what it is. Oh, I got my hat back, shade back. Oh, let me get off my foot. Oh my gosh, my foot will still work. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's one thing. Air conditioning work is tough on your feet.
Yeah.
There's a lot of crouching down, looking into the unit. You really got to think about what you're doing, and I should have thought more, because after a while your foot almost goes to sleep, and you're sitting on it the whole time. It's not good for the foot, because you might be doing damage and not necessarily feel it. You know, and then till the weekend, gonna feel it on the weekend.
No, it's right there for the change. The compressor is easy for this from. For my son, it's for the change.
Oh, inside, huh?
Inside.
Oh, yeah.
Or open it, but it's inside and right here.
Yeah.
No, open it right here.
Right. Upside down, soldering. Yeah. That is true.
When we go for the San Diego, he say, hey, Dad, go for the work and only change the compressor is easy.
Yeah.
Maybe 3 hours, maybe.
Yeah.
Whoa, it's complete. He 3 o'clock come back. Oh my God.
How many hours total?
Maybe 6 hours.
Oh wow.
For
no, 3 hours.
For the line.
Yeah.
No good.
I see. Sometimes, you run into all sorts of stuff.
Bad.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so we hooked up our vacuum pump, and now we'll be pulling a vacuum. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this on.
It's only red now, right?
Yeah, no red. So all we're doing is from the low side.
Normally you could use the red from the high side,
and we're gonna pull a vacuum.
Because my red hose was leaking, I had to do what I had to do.
Okay.
How many times?
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna watch till it gets to 29.
Negative
here.
29.
And we want to pull a vacuum as long as we can. You know, if it's about lunchtime, you could leave it running during lunch and come back. You know, some people recommend even a day, you know, probably not going to do it for a whole day, you know, maybe during lunch. And then we want to turn it off for a while and make sure that it doesn't come back. So For now, if we have enough time, what I'll do is, it's 12 o'clock, oh gosh. So I'll probably get it to 29, turn it off, make sure it doesn't come back up, then leave it running during lunch, then come back after lunch and charge it.
For the right there is 29? Or what?
Negative 29.
Oh,
yeah,
okay,
so we pretty much want to pull it as far as we can down, you know, all the way.
Now is it for maybe 20? How much now?
Now it's about 15. So it's halfway between 0 and 30. Yeah, so here's 0,
30,
and negative 30, and minus 30.
Is it good for them?
Yeah, as much as possible, yeah. Now we didn't calibrate our gauges before, so I don't know. It probably would have been good to calibrate, but...
Okay. Doesn't maybe the water now for the come back for lunch?
Yeah, so I'll pull it as far as I can right now. For maybe 10 minutes, then I'll turn it off, and then I want to make sure it doesn't climb back up on its own, because if it climbs back up on its own, we have a leak somewhere. Yeah, but if it holds the vacuum another 10 minutes, you know, whatever, 30 minutes, then it's good, as long as it holds the vacuum. So then I'll keep pulling the gill to boil off all the moisture.
No move it, the 10 minutes?
Yeah. And we got to kind of figure out something here, but maybe it can just... Oh yeah, nice, it's done. It's great. Yeah.
This is for the clothes right there.
Yeah. A little self-tapping screw.
Yeah.
Bang.
Right there.
Yeah. It's good.
Unreal.
There's always a way. I don't know what it always is, but you know.
Yeah.
Right.
That's not good for right here.
Yeah.
It's good for this is down.
Yeah.
This is a little up.
Oh yeah.
See, that, move it, maybe no good.
Yeah.
Maybe not good for it.
Yeah.
For the drill.
Yeah.
Yeah,
it's good.
Come back the lunch.
Yeah. Nice. It's good.
No problem.
Yeah. You can hear the vacuum. And I can't pull anything from there. There's no opening. It's clogged. Now if we wanted this to go faster, we'd go inside and turn the heater on. But the poor guy doing the refinishing would suffer. I can't do that. So that seems about as far as this one's gonna get. But I will leave it running during lunch. So what I'm gonna do is turn it off now. Okay, I'm going to turn off the machine, and I'm just going to wait about 10 minutes, and what we want to see is make sure this doesn't move at all. You know, it's like 28, something like that, 20, like on that line there. So, yeah. And we should be good though. In the meantime, can kind of pack things up a little bit and start to get the recovery machine off, get the recovery tank off, a couple other things, the old compressor, and the nitrogen. Although I should tell you, I've had times where I put everything away and then found a leak after and had to bring everything back up. No good. But I think we're good. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. Still same spot it was, so we're good here. I'll go ahead and turn the vacuum pump back on. Yeah, we'll keep on pulling. I'll leave it on during lunch. Yay! Not quite as ugly as it was last time, but still pretty ugly. Just so y'all don't have to feel bad. No one has to feel bad. Alright. Nice Palm Springs day. It's about 91 degrees right now. Alright. good. Come back after lunch and charge it up. Be back in business. Nice new Bristol AC. It's a 45 microfarads. Could hook it up before, just so that I don't forget. 1216. So normally it's marked here. There we go. So we just go under the wires with this. These, and let's take a look at what we got. Okay, red, start on the right, red's on the bottom, common is here. So here's the start, is yellow. Okay. The black is common. Right there. I gotta get in there a little to see and make sure I'm doing it properly. Yep. There's the C. Here's the start. And here's the run. Tighten that up a tiny bit. There we go. Nice and tight now. And tighten this one up a little bit more too. Now it's really tight. So tight, didn't want to go on. Alright, common start and run. Ready? Good. Hopefully that came out on film. There we go. Nice. Got our vacuum pulling down. We'll leave it for lunch. Come back and charge it up. All right. Here, ready to charge. Get the vacuum pulling. Go ahead and turn that off. Looking good there. Flip that off. And I'm ready to pull the power tap. We're done there. This I can disconnect the vacuum hose. It's blazing hot. Pull that and that. Okay. And now we're ready to charge. This is MO99, so we're going to be charging. liquid. So I'll hook up my tank. On the juice. Okay. It's okay for my tank to be in the sun. Where the shade is for me, in theory. Alright. So now we only want to crack the
Service line hose.
this line. This line has the vacuum hold on it. So I've got it. Okay, so we're purged and we're ready to charge. Now I'm going to dump in. I've got about 8 pounds there. Okay. Here we go. It's good. We're holding our vacuum like we want to. Got all the wiring hooked up. Here comes the juice.
Down that narrow road a little awkwardly 'cause of the burden on his back. There was a wall on either side of him, the name of which was salvation. The road it ascended up just a little bit, and upon that place there stood a cross, and at the foot of it there was a sepulchre. As a Christian he came up with a cross, his burden it fell from off his back. It tumbled down, down into the sepulchre, and never was it seen anymore. Yeah, yeah, yeah. He has given me respite, sorrow and life by his death.